The map that has Greece in it scared even Elon Musk. Elon Musk once again commented on the dramatic figures resulting from the rapid population decline in the West. The billionaire, known for his interventions on low birth rates, cited official figures for all European states, including Turkey, reproducing a map of the old continent. It shows the number of children corresponding to each woman in each country separately. And according to researchers, countries need a birth rate of at least 2.1 children per woman to maintain a stable population. However, in Europe, the numbers are much lower than this, and it could lead to scaled social changes, according to the medical journal The Lancet. The most worrying thing is that no country in the European Union, it does not have a birth rate above 2.1. So all the European Union countries have a birth rate below 2.1. Leading some politicians to fear that the number of young people will begin to decline at a frenetic rate. And it is indicative that even Greece is on the verge of alarm, with only 1.32 children birth rates corresponding to every Greek woman in the year 2022. In neighboring Italy and Spain, things are even worse, with only 1.24 and 1.16 births respectively. Even Turkey, which in previous decades had higher population growth rates than Greece, did not even manage to come close to the safety limit of 2.1 children, having only 1.63. Eurostat predicts that by the year 2100, if there is no intervention, people aged 65 and over will make up 32% of the population compared to 22% today. Unless birth rates in Europe rise, claims The Lancet, reliance on immigration will become necessary to sustain economic growth. Elon Musk, via Twitter, made the following comment: "Human civilization can end with a thump or a whimper in adult incontinence diapers." And please leave your comment concerning this, and thank you for your support. Finally, support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support, and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.